Okay, we will answer this one. What is the greatest common monomial factor of 3x squared minus 6x? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, factor natin itong 3x squared at saka si negative 6x. Okay, unahin natin yung 3x squared. Okay, so factor natin dito, 3 or 1 times 3. Okay, tapos dalawang x. Tapos yung negative 6x, negative 2 times 3. Tapos isang x. Okay? Tapos yung GCF or yung greatest common factor. So, ano yung common? Ito yung isang common, di ba? At saka yung x. So, 3 at saka x. So, therefore, sa choices natin is letter B is the correct answer.